Welcome in mathematics class 8th chapter 7 cubes and cube roots. It is page number 124. Exercise 7.1 question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Part 1 is 216, second part is 128 and so on. We will do it by prime factorization by this method. This will be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 sevens are 14, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. That means this 260 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Since both the factors 2 and 3 are in threes, that means it is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 raised power 1 plus 1 plus 1 into 3 raised power 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 2 cube into 3 cube. That's equal to 2 into 3 whole cube. That's equal to 2 3s are 6 cube. That means this 216 is cube of 6. 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. Similarly, the second part is 128. Here 128 will be equal to, by the same this prime factorization method, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. That means this 2 comes 3 times, and here this 2 comes again 3 times, and here 1 it is single. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. That means it needs to multiply by 2 into 2 so that this 2 will be 2 cube, or it needs the division by this 2 so that this 2 will be removed. That means this 128 is not a perfect cube. So we can write here, since 2 does not appear in a group of 3, that means or implies this 128 is not a perfect cube. Other parts of this question can be solved by this method. I hope you may have got it. Thank you for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.